we got some other terms such as antenatal, prenatal. Can you go? Everything is natal. Alright? Antenatal, prenatal care. And this we got postnatal. And this is postnatal care. Or you can say postnatal period. Alright? And the second last, postpartum. Antepartum. Hemorrhage, we call it APH. Alright, now please follow me. Antenatal, prenatal care. Postnatal care. Postnatal period. Postpartum. Antepartum. Antepartum. Hemorrhage. Alright, now please pause the video and practice. Antenatal, prenatal care. Postnatal care. Postnatal period. Postpartum. Antepartum. Hemorrhage.